This is the forward, neutral, reverse lever for the Quikspray Carousel Pump. To put the pump in forward, move it to the left. Neutral, reverse. To change the speed of the pump, this is a valve. Lefty-loosey, all the way, is full speed. Righty-tighty, slows it down. The more you turn this in, the slower the pump will go. If you turn it all the way in, the pump will stop. This is how the motor and gearbox is situated on your pump. The motor is held to the gearbox by 4 9/16 bolts. Use a socket with an extension. Something like this is the easiest way to take them off. An open-end wrench will work. Remove the bolts. And there's 2 on the bottom as well. Boom, boom. Slide the motor off the gearbox. There'll be a keyway in here. Take the keyway out so it doesn't get lost. Try to turn the motor by hand. If the motor turns by hand, you know it's not locked up. If the motor does not turn by hand, wrap a piece of duct tape around here. You have to wrap a piece of duct tape around here. Then grab it with a wrench and spin it. If it loosens up, turn the power on to the pump and let this motor free spin for a couple of minutes. It'll re-hone itself. Grease the shaft, put the keyway back in it, slide it back on the gearbox, put your bolts back in it, and the pump's ready to go to work.